Hey guys, this is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live, and today we have Harshvardhan Kapoor with us. Harshvardhan, welcome to Bollywood Live.
Hi, thank you for having me.
First of all, I would like to start this interview by congratulating you for AK versus AKR. What a work, man! Matlab, itna sa role and you made an impact in it. I mean, that was amazing.
Yeah, thanks so much for saying that. It was pretty interesting. When I found out about the film, I kind of knew that my role, it wasn't going to be too long. But then when I read the key scenes, they were very interesting and like really very different from stuff that I'd done in the past. And there was this one scene in particular. I don't know if you've seen the film, but it's this long
I have.
comedic.
How can I
Yeah,
miss
so
it?
this long comedic monologue. I just prepared for it a lot. I think monologues are very tricky and challenging, and we normally in daily life we interact in conversations. So you say something, I say something, and we listen and respond, etc. This is kind of a bizarre situation in the film where this character kind of comes in to break the tension of what's going on between
Yep.
Dad and Anurag. And it's not. I'm not like that at all in my real life. So a lot of people have seen the film and been like, "Oh, but you're playing yourself." So
Yeah.
I am playing technically. My name is Harsh and I'm playing Anil Kapoor's son, but I'm not in personality wise. I don't behave like that. My
Of course,
behavioral
that was
patterns.
way too over the board. So, how different you
Yeah,
are
exactly.
from the character that you played in the film?
Completely different. I'm extremely different. I would say I'm a lot more reserved. And I don't seek attention. I think the character in the film is somebody that's seeking attention and wanting to be the center of attention in that moment. So I'm kind of the opposite, really, which is why it was very interesting for me to kind of play that part.
I think you have done a fab job there. So, they
Thank
say
you.
that you learn with every movie. So, I want to ask one thing that after AK versus AK, what was your learning?
What was my learning after AK versus AK? Um, Well, I mean, I don't really think that there was anything in particular, but just preparation is key, man. I think sometimes, I think it depends. I think there's no rule, and there's no. I don't prepare for all my characters in the same way. I kind of find new ways to kind of prepare for something, and it completely depends on the part. I think really submitting to the part and the material is very important and key. And so yeah, that's the one thing that I would say is preparation is key, I would say.
All right. And you have recently, I think, finished shooting for Spotlight, right?
I mean, I can't really talk too much about it, but I'm doing a film with Vasan Bala,
Uh huh.
which is a comedy, and it's set to release in May.
Okay.
And it's Radhika Madan is in it as well, and it's a Netflix property,
Okay.
and you guys will see it in May. And we finished shooting for it in November,
Oh,
so
okay.
that's complete. And it should be. You should. I'm very excited about it, and I'm very excited for people to see it.
If you could tell us anything about your character,
I
maybe some,
can't because
not
I
at
can't,
all.
because no, because Netflix are very strict about
Oh,
about revealing things, and because I'm sure that they have their own marketing plans, and
okay.
they like to
Okay. Yeah.
kind of put it out in their own way. So yeah,
But if you have to create a buzz in the audience, what would be the one line that you would say about this film?
I think the fact that it's directed by Vasan is enough. I
That's
think
actually.
he is one of the best directors in the country, and I don't know how many people have seen his previous film, but he finds a way to entertain constantly. And
Right.
I think don't in Vasan's films you shouldn't look for logic. You should just enjoy the experience. And
Right.
everything in life is not supposed to make sense. Some things are just because they are. So
Right.
go with that.
Okay. And you're currently also very busy shooting Thar, right?
Yeah, so I'm shooting another Netflix original film. This one stars myself, Anil Kapoor,
Okay.
Fatima, Sana Sheikh, Mukti Mohan, Satish Kaushik,
Are you?
Jitendra Joshi.
Mm-hmm. Go on,
Yeah,
go on.
so No, so it's a big cast film, and we're shooting it currently, and actually, I think we should be done shooting it pretty soon. So
Okay, when is this movie coming then?
it should be October, November. I don't know exactly. It's hard to say now, but definitely
Are
end of the
you
year.
the are you the Radhika Apte of Netflix now? Because now back to back you're on Netflix.
I don't know. You should ask. You should ask Netflix that. I think that they're the ones that kind of do those memes and whatever they.
Okay, do you enjoy being part of memes, by the way?
I haven't really been a part of too many memes, So, but I'd love
Okay. And what about how's your reaction to the trolling associated with that?
with what memes.
Yeah, when like
Yeah.
some people appreciate it, but there are like massive trolling happening to actors.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think trolling is. I think it's pretty horrible. I think to be honest, my whole opinion on this is the internet is a very new thing. It's been only been around for a couple of decades, and it's just like harassment and trolling and all of these things. When you're on the street and you're rude to someone and you harass someone, you can be legally liable. You can be prosecuted for behaving in an inappropriate way. And I think now that we live most of our lives on the internet, especially since the pandemic, I think a lot of the same rules and should apply. I don't see why somebody can say nasty, horrible, demeaning, degrading things about another person and get away with it. So I think whether it's racism, whether it's anything that all of these disgusting things that happen on the internet, those people should be taken care. And I think it's very important now that social media platforms demand verification of some sort to greenlight an account.
Right.
I think otherwise trolling will never end, racism online will never end. And I think it's about these people in power with the money to make these decisions to protect everybody. And I feel bad for the trolls, honestly, because I mean, think about how miserable their lives must be.
Right.
If you're after the entire day, your life goal is to log on to your computer and go on somebody else's profile and say horrible things about. I mean, how empty must your life be? Like, I
Right.
just got back from work. I'm so tired. Like, I don't have the energy to go on somebody else's page and say horrible things about them. I mean, I
Right.
don't understand it.
So my
Yeah.
next question to you, Harsh, is what is the dream role that you have been waiting for and you're dying to play in any film?
I don't really, to be honest, I don't really have any dream role as such. I just want to do some. I mean, I think with the roles that I've done so far and what I aspire to do is I want to be a part of films that are progressive and that are different from what you're used to seeing. I think I have a responsibility in a way to be true to myself and also do films um, that that I because I always said this. I'm not here to repackage and redo films that actors have been doing for the last 20 and 30 years. And I think whether it's AK versus AK, even if it's a small part, or Bhavesh Joshi or Mirzia, these films are different from what you normally see, and that's what I really enjoy. And so I just think more of the same, and I don't really have like a dream role. That's like saying I have this dream girl, you don't know, like, you never know what you're going to like, and life is full of surprises, so why confine yourself to something like that, I think.
So what kind of roles you're more inclined to? What kind of roles Harsh likes?
It's so it. I mean, I've done anything, really. There's nothing like that. I think that I won't do. It just depends. It has to excite me on the page, and that's about it, really.
Okay. Okay, if you ever get a chance in your life to do a remake of Anil Kapoor's movie, what would that be?
I think that just completely depends on if there's a director that has a unique interpretation of one of his old films. I'm actually, to be honest, I'm not a big fan of remakes. To be very honest, I like to do original stories because I feel there are so many stories that are still there to be told. So why go back in time and remake something that people have already seen and enjoyed, unless the interpretation or the modern telling of that story is very novel and
Okay.
exciting.
So what
That
would
that
be
would be it.
that film of Anil Kapoor, even if it's
I
more
don't
like
know. I don't know because I need a director to call me or somebody to send me a script and be like, this was your father's film that I really liked. but I'm seeing it this way, and
Okay.
then I would think about it.
Okay. So after you've done like movies, what's that compliment from your father that you would always remember?
Um, Nothing. I mean, just you're really good in the film, or I didn't expect that, or just normal. I mean, I don't really have a very uh, uh, typical father son kind of equation going. It's a more friendly, honest kind of equation. So yeah. So yeah, that's
Great, man. It was great talking to you. Anything you want to add in this
yeah.
interview to make it better?
Yeah, just thank you for watching AK versus AK, and enjoying it. I hope it made you laugh. I hope
It was
it
amazing.
brought
Yeah.
an end to a otherwise very difficult year for all of us. And keep your masks on, stay safe, and the light is at the end of the tunnel. But we should try and save as many lives as possible before the vaccines get distributed properly. And look out for the Vasan Bala film. Look out for the other thriller that I'm doing. I have two films coming out this year, one in May and one maybe around November. So please watch those films and give them as much love, if not more, as you give AK and Bhavesh. And yeah, that's it.
We are definitely waiting for your next movie and movies, I must say, and all the best for your future projects. I hope we get to talk very soon. Thank you guys for watching Bollywood Live. This is Hitesh Malik and Harshvardhan.
Thank you guys. Bye. See ya.
Thank you, Harshvardhan. It was amazing interviewing you. Yeah. All the
Thanks.
best.
Thanks so much.
Really, all the best.
Thank you.